drop, step, and drop. Now the hands. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Up, down, up, down. Try to shake. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Up, down, up, down. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Bam, bam. Good. The next move, we're facing here now. You want to dust off, dust, dust. But we're moving backward with it. So it goes 1, 2. But very sharp. It goes tap, tap. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Tap, tap. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Tap, tap. Good. So from top, tap, down. Tap, down. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Tap, down, tap, down. So stand, down, up, down. 5, 6, go. Up, down, up, down. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Up, down, up, and down. Now with the hands, 1, 2. So from top to here. 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, down, 1, 2. Once you stop on the second one, you want to go immediately into this one. So one more time. 5, 6, go. Up and down, up and down. 1, 2. Yes. So you want to have a slightly bent knee to do this. Yeah. So one more time. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Up and down, up and down. 1, 2. Now from here, this hand stays here, and your shoulder and your leg work goes tap, tap. 5, 6, go. Tap, tap. But this is straight. Why this is bent? 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2. From top. 5, 6, and 7. Go. And 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This 1, 2. Yeah. So 1, but you want to act like you're sinking. So you sink like this. So 5, 6, go. This hand was here. You pull and sink with it. Careful. You have to hold your stance. 5, 6, go. Sink. And from here, this stays there and it goes tap, tap. Heels, this from heels. So 1, 2. Yes, but your hand works with that. It goes 1, 2. And also works with your head. It goes tap, tap. So head, heels, and hand. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Walk with your head. 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2. 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2. Yeah, but careful. But try to walk with your heels here. Because this hand is as though this hand is pushing out your heels and it's coming back. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Good. So from sink, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. Sink, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, go. Sink. Now this hand goes up and bam, bam. Good. 6, go. Ta-da, ta-da, ta. 5, 6. Yes. 5, 6, go. Ta-da, ta-da, ta. Good. Then, when we stop here, you go tap, 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 tap. 1, 2. So it turns you forward. We were here. First one here. Second one here. Yeah. So it's one like this goes tap. It moves this forward. The same thing happens here. Yes. But tiny bit. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Good. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. But I have to lean back. So it has the tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Back, back. Good. But try to tap. Tap, yes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, tap. Good. So from top to here. 5, 6, and 7, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, sink. 1, 2, snake. And 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, ta, ta. Let's count it together. 1, 2, go. 1 and the 2 and the 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, go. 1 and the 2 and the 3, 4, 5. But sitting. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and the 2 and the 3, 4, 5. Now, you want to engage your chest when you do this move. Your hands are like this. So we go tap, tap, tap. 5, 6, go. Tap, tap, tap. I need it to really flow. Tap, 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 tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 tap. So stop like this. Am I moving too fast? Oh, good. Okay. Okay. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Not like this, but like this. So your eyes here. Yeah. Yes. So 5, 6, and 7, go. Bam, 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 tap, tap. Nice. 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, 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 tap, tap. Then tap, 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 tap. So waist, we'll go here. 5, 6, go. Step. No, don't close. Always open. So 1, 2, go. Roll, stop, roll, stop. Meanwhile, 2 together. Open. Yes. So from here, 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, bam, bam. Step, step. Yeah. But don't close it. Go. 1, 2. Don't bring no. This in, no. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. And this goes, stop. And hug, down. Yes. 5, 6. Now this, in. Now this. Yes. So together, 5, 6, go. 1, spin, stand. Yes. Whip, up. Yes, Katya, good. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, go. Whip, stand. Nice. 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So tap your heels, bring it back. Tap your toes, bring it back. And yes. So tap, back, tap, back. Yes. Again, 5, 6, go. Tap, back, back. But when we dance, as we are running, we go bam, 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 bam. 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, bam. Tap your heels first. 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, 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 bam. Now first, this is good. 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 bam. Now when you do this, your hand stays like this. And the final move, yes. 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 bam. Tap, tap. And whoa, 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 whoa. You just want to grow, yes. So 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, 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 tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 tap. Bam, bam, bam. Good. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, bam, bam, bam. Immediately. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, bam, bam, bam. You have a problem with transition?
How do we start?
We start with this. 5, 6, 7, go. Waist, forward, back, no, heels first. 5, 6, 7, go. Waist, forward, heels, toes, heart, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, and cross, down, switch, up. Yes. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, down, switch, up. Bam, 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 bam. Now this goes out and wave, snake, bam, and finish.